Hello, everyone. This is Garden to Table with Kimberly, and I'm Kimberly. I am so excited. I have Mabel here from Bougie Beaks, and she's going to tell you about a project we started last summer, and now it's time. Mabel?
Oh, yes. So last summer, we decided that we wanted to make wine. And it has been a journey, right,
Yes,
Kimberly?
it has been a journey.
But today we have bottled wine. So what I'm holding is look at our label. Root
So
and
cute.
Roost Cellars.
So cute.
Planted in friendship, aged in joy by Kimberly and Mabel. So what I'm holding is a peach wine. I was traveling to Georgia to a family reunion and saw this peach stand and called Kimberly and she goes, "Yes, get peaches, get peaches." So we decided to make wine. The wine I'm holding is a sweet peach. And these closest to Kimberly are very dry. And Kimberly, I have tasted and tasted. So you have to taste to
Today
see
is
which
my
is
day
your
to taste.
favorite.
Yes, today
And
is my day.
Kimberly is holding my favorite.
Pineapple wine. So
And look how
excited.
clear they are,
Yes.
Kimberly.
So clear. Root and
Okay.
Roost, so clear. We're the winemaking ladies.
Yes.
So much
And this
fun.
has been a big learning process. And actually, at home, Kimberly, I have blueberry
Oh, nice.
fermenting, and I also have Jesus Christ, not strawberry. What is it? I have two flavors fermenting.
Well, we'll
Look
get
at
to
the
sample.
label. This one says, "I appreciate
That
you."
is so cute. So we have fruit labels on the back to let us know which ones they are. We just wanted to share that with you. We are super excited. This is our season. This coming up to spring, summer. Oh my God, we're like little old ladies, starting later in life.
I love it.
Me too. Me
I
too.
love it.
Oh my God, we have so much fun. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. She's been here since 7, and we are bright and early, and we are ready to do some awesome things. But we just wanted you all to see the wine that we made. See you next time. Welcome to Garden to Table with Kimberly and Bougie Beaks with Mabel.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.